When it's important to look your best, that can be a challenge, but not when you have a dress like this one. I'm Brooke with WTI, and I really appreciate this cap sleeve maxi dress by Coco. I find that it is feminine enough to wear very nice on a beautiful occasion or even casually. I like this lilac light purple, and I feel like it's a pretty gorgeous color. And I also can move around in this dress. It is a stretchy dress, but hugs all the right places, letting me move. And I can lift my arms, and it has a nice full coverage. The stitching is beautifully made, and I like the material on this dress. And it does have pleats all around the skirt area, which also give off that nice slimming effect that I'm always looking for. This is definitely a classic style, modest, stunning, and beautiful, so I highly recommend it. I love it, but that's just my point of view.